Yeah. A is for Abalone, with a shell so bright. B is for barracuda, speedy like a kite. C is for coral, where the fish all hide. D is for dugong, drifting with the tide. E is for eel pout, wriggling down below. Let's explore the ocean, watch it glow. Swim, deep and free. So many creatures in the sea. Sing along, splash and play. Learn your letters every day. F is for fangtooth, with a grin so wide. G is for goblin shark, a face to mystify. H is for horseshoe crab, crawling on the sand. I is for Indian Ocean octopus, waving every hand. J is for jackfish, darting left and right. Gliding through the ocean, what a sight! Swim, deep and free. So many creatures in the sea. Sing along, splash and play. Learn your letters every day. K is for krill, tiny but grand. L is for lanternfish, glowing on command. M is for moon jelly, drifting so slow. N is for nudibranch, putting on a show. O is for oarfish, so long and sleek. So many creatures, take a peek. Bubble, splish and splash. Hear the waves, watch them crash. Click, clap, snap, what's that sound? Crabs and shrimp are all around. P is for porcupine fish, puffing up so round. Q is for quillfish, near the ocean ground. R is for ribbon eel, shining blue and gold. S is for sand dollar, a treasure to hold. T is for tiger shark, stripes across its back. Always on the move, never looking back. Swim, deep and free. So many creatures in the sea. Sing along, splash and play. Learn your letters every day. U is for urchin, spiky and small. V is for velvet crab, hiding near a wall. W is for wobbegong, blending out of sight. X is for Siphosaura, glowing in the night. Y is for yellow boxfish, swimming with a spin. Z is for zooplankton, tiny but they win. Now we know our ABCs, ocean wonders A to Z. Sing again, come back soon. More adventures wait for you. Keep swimming, keep singing. What ocean creatures will we meet next? Subscribe for more